Hi guys, again, good day everyone. So once again, this is your story DrCON inside my car again guys. So I would like to thanks everyone for the views last time that we have uploaded video regarding Barefeet. Time guys, because of the request or the demand regarding the driving with mismatch of high heels, so this time I will do the driving wearing high heels. So as of now, I am Barefeet, no? Okay, time guys, again I am Barefeet, and I am going to have the pedal pumping first before we go. As well as the reviving, no? Okay. Again guys, disclaimer po sa mga followers ko, subscribers ko. Again, shout out to my subscribers coming from the Philippines, dito mismo sa Pilipinas. So thank you so much. And thank you also for those who are following me inside the country or in other country like Australia, Germany, Texas, no? I think from Canada. So thank you so much guys for following your story DrCON. So I am asking your help to please share my videos to your friends so that I can have additional watch hours. As of now guys, I would like to inform my viewers that we are not yet qualified for the Google AdSense. So since our recent subscribers I think is 742, so we need to have a 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before we will be qualified for the Google AdSense. Guys, you can help me, no, to do this, to be qualified in the Google AdSense, so that later on naman, no, kahit papano, your story DrCON could monetize out of the videos that we are doing. Even we are not yet monetized, I am so very thankful because I have a lot of friends, I network, or I have my friend circles coming from other countries, and of course with this video of mine, my family in the Philippines could watch me and could makikita nila ako, no, lagi. They could update me if what I am doing. And by the way, this driving vlog, of course, I am doing this because I have that advocacy for the women out there na natatakot mag-drive. So I hope with this video of mine, no, it's not because I am not a good, I am not an expert driver. Nabubulol naman ako. I am not an expert driver guys, but I am just trying to do my best para pag nakita yun ng mga medyo mas bata sa akin and they are afraid to drive, so of course they will be tawag dito, inspired, no? Kasi because of your story DrCON na mas matanda na nga nakakapag-drive pa, how much more you guys, no? Yung mga medyo bata pa dyan sa atin. So I challenge you to do the driving, especially this manual car, no? Okay, I know that I am so talkative, no, as what this driving girls is telling me. I am always talking and talking, but then you know, I am fond of talking, especially when I am in front of the camera. Hindi ako natatakot guys, thank you. Okay, so this time I am holding this the high heel, no, of mine. So this will be my footwear in my left foot, and of course on the other foot I will use this one, no? This will be on the right foot. So we are going to have a mismatch high heels driving. I hope that my followers will enjoy this, doing this mismatch driving. And for the one requesting me to do the pedal pumping in sewing machine, so later on I will do my time, no, to have that video as what you are requesting. Okay, so this will be my outfit today, or my outfit, not outfit kundi by footwear. So later on pag pauwi na tayo saka tayo magbe-barefoot driving. Okay guys, so let's go na guys. I hope you will be with me, bear with me, you know, as I am driving going to the market again because I have something to buy, no. So I am doing my computer works, my laptop works. So this time I have something to buy in the market yet, so I need to go. So with this, I will do my video vlogging, no? Video vlogging. So thank you so much once again. I hope that you will subscribe to yours truly, DrCON. Any comment is being accepted. I hope you will do your comment. You will, and if you're not yet subscribed, or you are not, yes, you're, ano ba yun? Hindi ko na alam sabihin. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Yours truly, DrCON. Right, so this time, guys, I will wear this high heel, guys, no? And then the other one, of course, madali lang itong isuot. Kasi this is my pioneer high heels ever since, no? Napaka ano nito sa paa ko, napaka gentle, napaka ganda. Okay. Ayan na, guys. Medyo sira na siya, no? Sana may makapag-donate sa atin ng size 10 na high heels. So, again, we will do the... Okay. I hope the engine will not be damaged, no? Checking the pedals. Ayan. Our horrible feet will do the driving vlogging again. So, nga pala tayo, guys, again, to all my siblings, no? Belated happy birthday to my sister Mary Grace. Happy birthday to Bernadette, no? Belated happy birthday to Chinky and the rest of the birthday celebrants this month of January. Happy birthday, everyone! So, let's go na, guys. Manu, this is for you, no? Tawag dito, I will do the reverse driving. So our place is so narrow, so we need to be careful, no? Para hindi tayo mabangga. Okay. So this is for you, Manu. I hope na ma-appreciate mo yung ayan. Sorry because last time, no, we're very busy, so I could not make my reverse driving always. Okay. And at the same time, okay, so we must be very careful. Shout out nga pala sa kay Maribeth because she's the one give this blouse of mine. Hindi ko ba na-open ang gate? Oh my God! So I need to open the gate first. Here I am again, guys. Ay naku, pasensya na kayo, masyado akong madaldal. Pero this time hindi na ako magdadaldal. I will do the driving na lang. So please enjoy my my driving. Let's go. So our place is so narrow, guys, no? Mahirap. So tomorrow I will do the switching of my tire. Guys, ang hirap. I will go. Hello. Hello everyone. Hey baby. To the farthest night I'll be there with a helping hands. Let us adjust first our yung upuan natin. Masyadong malapit sa ating ayan. So we are now in this area, guys, na you need to be careful kasi we are on the Calle 13. Okay. So kung si sir wala pang ultra larga, shout out to sir, alam mo din, na-miss na kita sir. And now we touch. Yan ang mga driver guys, alam nyo ba? Kahit mahirap ang daanan, basta makalusot lang, they are happy na yan. Okay. So they're approaching again. Change sana ako ng nail polish kasi for my follower, there are some more asking me why there are different colors daw in my nail. Actually before guys, I'm not fond of wearing colors in my fingernails or even in my toenails. I am just confident in wearing the tan or the beads color. But later on, since I have since I am doing the manicure to other clients, so later on, I was influenced also with the request in having that different colors in their nails. So that's why I enjoy doing it. And as of now, pati ako nahawa na guys. Ito ba ang guhit ng aking palad? Sa pag-ibig ako'y sawing pala. Thank you. Thanks driving girls. Manu is a 1504. Paid Torres to Jigs ba yun? And to my new follower, to my new subscriber, Miyu, at is requesting me to do the high heel reviving or high heel pedal pumping. They like your channel. I subscribe it already. You know guys, as what I have said, I am not intended to do this pedal pumping before or reviving because I'm just driving it normally. But later on, because of the request na again for the customized video that you wanted to have, just chat me on your Truly DrCON page, and you can have it also in my email ad. Ayan na. So Chen so sorry, I have the mismatch high heels. Sako na sa likod guys. Ano ba yung sako? Di naman yung nakao ng bilog na area. Malilimutan ko pa ba aking mahal? Because of always busy, I was not able to sing in the Star Maker. Hindi na kita kakanta-kanta. A while ago, I have tried to sing, but since I am doing also something in my laptop, so we're not able to do it for an hour. It's just only a minute. Shout out to John Luke and Marjeline. Shout out to my sister Mary Grace and brother William, either in Kuwait. My friend Ma'am Alfichi or Miss Alfichi there in Canada for the Tinig Pinoy. Brother Dan. Okay, so if my viewers will ask me if how convenient I am in driving these high heels, you know, it's very nice guys actually, but this is against disclaimer, this is against the rules and regulations, because we have to wear the proper footwear, which is the driving shoes or the flat shoes. But since as what I have said in my other videos, I have tried to drive driving high heels, because sometimes, especially when I am wearing high heels, and then when I enter the car, I need to take off and then I wear another shoe, so it's time consuming. By the way, shout out to my palangga Lisa Puentes, Marjeline Dangan, and to Nene Mers, and of course to their siblings. So shout out sa inyo. Thank you for watching. To Miss or to Rose Patanaw, thank you so much for watching also, guys. Yan, may nakasunod sa likod natin. Yan. So, acknowledgement. I would like to acknowledge the houses, the people na nakikita dito sa ating vlog. So, hindi natin intended. But then, sorry. Okay, so we need to visit first our ancestral house in Capiz. Mga friends ko guys, nagkabaligya sa fish. Okay, so we are here right now in Barangay Capiz. Thank you. Ayan. So dito tayo guys sa Capiz ngayon. I will visit the ancestral house. Okay, to Sister Mary Grace and Brother William. I'm here na ha. I will get something from here. Ay, hindi ko pala nadala yung susi. Ano ba yan? Hi nang! Wow, sarap-sarap naman ng Kuha tayo guys ng ng saluyot. Wala. Muna sira na naman pala yung natin, yung camera. Okay. Ayan guys, I'm wearing my different high heels. So, dito tayo sa bahay namin, sa ancestral house. So, tayo ng saluyot. So, okay. Hi, Manong! Nag-vlog ako doon. I'm going high heels, guys. So, ayan. So, kukuha tayo dyan, guys, ng saluyot. O, tingnan nyo. Sarap-sarap niyan. Ning, o, tanaw pala ning damo-damo. Ning, ng saluyot. So, kukuha tayo ng saluyot, guys, ha. I am wearing the 2 high heels right now. Kukuha tayo ng saluyot, guys. Ayan, o, yan. Ayan. Okay. So, kami namin, guys, ang saluyot. Ayan, guys, so. So, this saluyot, I am going to steam this one and then put tomato and onion. Ang sarap-sarap, guys. The plant of Wilmer and Jubert, guys, no? Napaka-fresh. Ayan. So, tingnan nyo, ang ganda-ganda. Or ang very, siya, fertile. Ayan, guys. So, this is our ancestral house. No, we're not, ayan. Guys, I enjoy picking this saluyot. Ang very healthy siya, guys. Ayan. Damo na. Ayan. Guys, naka-high heel. High heel tayo. Hirap. Ang hirap. So, nakakuha na ako. Ayan na. I'm still wearing my high heels while picking this saluyot. Ayan. Hirap pala tayo guys. Wala tayo guys, so again, I'm wearing this high heel. And then I will take off this one. Do the Barefeet. Ayan. Barefeet. Chocolate. Vlog. Guys, parang baliw ka. So, dana guys, so nakakuha na tayo ng saluyot. So, this time, alis na tayo going to the market, no? So, okay, so, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will like this one. So, we're going to the market, guys, for something to buy. Let's go na, guys. Finish done or done na ako. Ayan, sira na pala yung high heel ko. Tinapa ko pa siya kanina sa duta. Sige na. Okay, let's go. Naming ijos ang lamay So very healthy guys ang pagkalawaan niya. Pag-grow niya. Kamay ka magasulod sa simbahan? Ano ka lang tayo sagwa? Oh. Okay, oo. Lulod sa ko. Through the rain, through the storm, I'm back to you. Dito tayo lumaki, guys. We grow up on this area. And I'm so open. I don't know what to do. I'll be understanding. To comfort you, but I will see you through. So we are in the market again. Maganda ang view paggabi guys, no? Kaysa sa araw. Jollibee in wheels. Ito sa dulo guys. It's true. Hold on. Strictly no parking daw. Bala na park tayo. Okay, dito tayo guys. Nabibili muna tayo ng ating mga bibilhin. Okay, bye-bye for now. Pauwi na tayo guys, no? Nakabili na tayo ng mga kailanganin natin. So this time this is for so chin-chin-so, but I know you will get mad now because I'm going to drive. The other foot is barefoot and the other one is having this high heels. Okay, so chin-chin-so ha, peace me with you. Okay, so let's go na guys. This is a combination of barefoot and with high heel. This is for the people who like the way I drive barefooted. So combination tayo guys ha. But again, disclaimer, please do not follow if you are not used to do this, no? This is for challenge purpose only. And if you notice, pag nakapag high heel tayo, it's really dangerous if you are not used to do it kasi ang kanyang heel ay nagba-blocking siya guys sa floor. Ay akala mo okay na yung distance niya, yun pala hindi pa. Okay, I was down and feeling so low. You took my hand and this my heart. So when you are on this area, you should lower your gear, guys. I was a strength to show me the way, and now I finally found my home in you. My brother William, shout out to you. Sometimes sabi niya sa akin, you are driving, you are talking. Don't you know? Don't you worry, ano naman yung mind natin, naka-focus naman sa kalsada. Si Manong. Hello, Manong. So, shout out sa car na sa likod at this the car officer. Buckley bar. The time I've been through. Ito ba ang guhit ng aking palad? Dahil mo signal dahil, are you going to liko-liko or not? Sa pag-ibig ako'y sawing palad. Shout out to my husband again, Jupert. Ganyan ba ang tapat na magmahal, paglaruan at pagtaksilan? ako ay nilisan mo. Puso ko ay hindi magbabago, pagkat ikaw ang lahat sa aking buhay. Magbalik ka, ako'y maghihintay. Ito ba ang guhit ng aking palad? Sa pag-ibig ako'y sawing palad. Ganyan ba ang tapat na magmahal? Paglaruan at pagtaksilan. Ako ay nilisan mo. Puso ko ay hindi magbabago. Shift tayo ng song. Strumming my fingers with his finger. Oh, bunga. La, 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 la. If I sing you a love song, if I sing you a love song, and your ways forever, to remind you how much I care, and as I needed you. Love song, don't need you, like lovers often do. Pass by my window, da-da-da-da. I saw the flickering shadows of my mind. She was my woman. As I am, ako memorize, without on my mind. Why would you burn my, oh Jimmy Tar, long before and break out the door. Forgive me, oh man, you and I couldn't take anymore. Forgive me, oh so gentle, so I can't do it anymore. Okay, so we are approaching sa bahay na guys. Madali na lang tayo. Kaya in that area I will pause for a while. Okay, so mag-pause muna tayo dito guys for a while for our extra. Okay, so ayan na yung paa natin guys, still wearing the high heel and the other one is bare feet or barefooted. So guys, again, this is your story Dr. Con, thanking everyone while we are doing our footwork now. So thanking everyone for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy this one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Your story Dr. Con, and I hope there's comments, no? May comment kayo na ilalagay dyan if you like the video or not. So this time, so chen, so ayan na. So for the Barefeet, no? For the Barefeet driving while going home, ayan na. So magbe-Barefeet na tayo. Okay? Enjoy lang guys. Enjoy. And now it touch. Ayan, naka-Barefeet na tayo guys. sometimes, no, you are if you're a vlogger, you act like crazy, but I'm not crazy. You know, we're just enjoying our days, our time. Thank you, Lord, for the provision that we're able to drive. You know, not all people could drive, so we have to be thankful na may time na binigay si Lord sa atin na makapag-drive tayo. Okay, so this time, pababa na tayo dito guys sa area natin. Ayan, if you notice guys, yung area natin dito is semi-uphill. Kaya you need to lower your gear for on the either primera or segunda. So sometimes I'm not putting this clutch and brake, only brake lang. Ayan. Again, thank you for watching your story, Dr. Con. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please help me to have that watch hour. Please share my video if you think that this could help everybody, no, to grow in driving. So I hope you will help me publish the video today. Ayan na guys, bahay namin dugyot pa ngayon. Again guys, thank you so much. Ang kulit ko pero sige lang, thank you lang po tayo kahit papaano. At least you are there supporting my vlog. So again, this is for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye, see you next video.